Do it with Miss Addie. Ready? Height! Reset. Height! Reset. Height! Excellent. And reset. Very good. That is our low block. Let's break it down. All right. Let's start on that low block. So for our low block load, the blocking hand comes up to our neck and the palm is facing our shoulder. Good. The chambering hand goes parallel the same way down and across the body. Say load.
Load, sir.
Good. Reset. Ready. Load.
Load, sir.
Reset. Load.
Load, sir.
Reset. Last one. Ready. Load.
Load, sir.
Good. Say top hand.
Top hand.
Good. The top hand is going to be my blocking hand. The bottom hand is going to be the chambering hand. What's the top hand do?
Block hand, sir.
What's the bottom hand do?
Chamber hand.
Good.
Sir.
So she's going to bring this down and across her body, nice and slow as she brings this one back. Notice that it looks like she's buckling in a seatbelt. It stops on the outside of her body, not on the inside. Yes, sir? Good. Ready? Reset. Ready. Down and across and chamber. Reset. Down and across and chamber. One more. Reset. Down and across and chamber. Excellent. Let's add a stance. So she's going to step into this stance. Good. Now notice again how she is not facing directly forward right now. So she's going to twist to bring that block down and lock it in that front stance. And let's add that nice strong yell. Ready, reset. Height. Excellent. Ready, reset. Height. Good. Follow along with Miss Addie. Ready? All the way from ready stance. Good. When I key up, she's going to step and do all of the stances nice and strong. Do them with her. Height. And reset. Height. And reset. Good. Let's work on the opposite side. Say opposite side.
Opposite side, sir.
Good. So take this hand, bring it up to your neck. Very good. Take this hand, bring it across your body. Very good. So what hand blocks?
Top hand, sir.
What hand chambers?
Bottom hand.
Good. But this is load, reset. Show me load again. Load.
Load, sir.
Reset. Load.
Load, sir.
Good. Ready? And block and chamber. Down and across. Very good. And reset. Load.
Load, sir.
Block and chamber. Down and across. Very good. And reset. Load.
Load, sir.
Block and chamber. Very good. Let's add that stance. So she's going to step into that stance. Good. She's in that load. She's going to twist and bring it down nice and slow. Good. Other hand chambers. And notice how she's on the opposite side of her leg. She's not on the inside. She's on the outside. Very good. And reset. Ready. Load. Step. Block. Hiya. Reset. Load. Step. Block. Hiya. Good. Let's do it nice and strong. Do it with Miss Addie. Ready. Height. Reset. Height. Reset. Height. Excellent. And reset. Very good. That is our low block.